This section outlines the functionality of the Highlight Reel feature, which enables users to compile key moments from a game into a compiled reel. In the lower left corner, you'll see the highlight icon. When opened, the Highlight Reel interface appears on the right side of the display. Once open, you'll see a status area, a field to assign a reel name, a build area for adding clips, and a configuration area to manage how the reel behaves. We can create a new thumbnail by clicking New Name and assigning it accordingly. You can choose to include a header at the beginning or a trailer at the end of the reel. You can also add an audio overlay, then select from available audio files. To begin assembling the reel, identify a clip of interest, drag it into the highlight build area, then continue selecting and dragging other relevant segments. Each clip added appears in sequence. A standard playback duration can be defined. For example, 3 seconds per clip is typical. Alternatively, you can choose to manually trim the segment. In our example, we're shuttling to the needed in and out points within the video on the left side of the display. You can shuttle through a clip by using the touch screen, the jog wheel, keyboard, or mouse. From there, we can shuttle through the clip, find the appropriate in point, set it using trim in, then scroll to the clip's conclusion to find the out point. Clicking the Update button, revise the clip's duration and endpoint in the list. You can modify the duration of any clip by highlighting the time within the corresponding column. You can assign varying durations to the clips within the column above, or assign the same duration to all clips. To do this, indicate the needed time amount from the drop-down menu, then click the seconds icon. All of these actions can now be named and saved to the indicated hard drive location. Once saved, a playlist can be archived for future use, for duplication or editing at a later time. When the Assemble button is clicked, playlists are generated into individual clips along with their audio tracks. A dialog will indicate the assembly completion. Once complete, the assembled playlist, titled Highlight 3 in our example, is added to the playlist list and also appears in the clip bin along the right column. To preview the video and audio for this playlist, double-click its entry in the clip bin. Clips can be edited and designated for special use by attaching names and descriptions to highlighted clips within the listing. Click the Update button when the name and description have been assigned. The updated status will appear in the description field. For playback, you can select either the blue or red output channels by clicking the corresponding checkboxes. To generate a new highlight sequence from either the red or blue channel, shuttle to the needed start point and click the Mark In button. Then advance the playback to locate the desired end point and mark it as the out. In this example, the resulting clip is 20 seconds in length. To assign a new name, enter the desired title into the name field and click New. The system will extract the selected audio-video segment and create a new clip with the specified name, which will appear in the clip list in the left column. When the new file is played, it begins at the start of the action and runs for the full 20 seconds. Replay sequencing continues as normal. Double-click any line in the schedule to insert or modify a header. The line contents will be editable at that location. To remove a header or the entire line, highlight the text and click the Delete button, or right-click and select Delete from the drop-down menu. Click Clear to remove all items from the list prior to generating a new highlight listing. The New button creates an entirely new clip in the Highlights subdirectory. In contrast, the Create function is used when working with an existing clip. For example, if Highlight 3 is loaded and changes are made, clicking Update will save those changes. When you save an updated clip, the original contents are overwritten in the list. Clip deletion is managed from the right column of the display. To delete a clip, hold the Shift key and left-click on the desired clip along the right column. The clip will be removed from the left column. You now have the tools to streamline your highlight reel workflow. Next, we'll demonstrate the external control devices within the Instant Replay operation.